Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage devices on Amazon. This is particularly useful if you want to see all the gadgets linked to your account or remove ones you no longer use, ensuring your account stays secure and organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign into your account. This will give you access to all your account settings and device management options. After you've logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists located in the top right menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything from payment methods to device connections. Now scroll down through the account settings until you find the section labeled Devices. Click on it to proceed. This is where Amazon displays a comprehensive list of all the devices registered to your account. You'll see everything from Kindles and Fire tablets to streaming devices and even apps you've installed on your phones or TVs. It's a centralized hub for all your Amazon-connected hardware. Take a moment to scroll through the list carefully. As you do, you'll notice that Amazon provides helpful details for each device, including the device name, type, and in some cases, the last activity date. This information is valuable because it helps you identify which devices are actively being used and which ones might be old or forgotten entries that you no longer need connected to your account. If you want to learn more about a specific device, simply click on the device name. This will open a detailed view where you can see additional information about that particular gadget. It gives you a clearer picture of when it was last used and what services it's accessing under your account. If you come across a device you no longer use or don't recognize, you have the option to remove it. To do this, look for the Deregister button within the device details. Clicking Deregister will disconnect that device from your Amazon account, ensuring it can no longer access your content or services. This is especially important if you've sold a device or simply want to clean up your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to view and manage all your Amazon devices, keeping your account tidy and secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.